Hi guys, it's Lisa. I know I have not done one of these in quite a while. We've been kind of saving up. We're gonna go on a trip to Ireland and that's what this box is for, so yay. So I just really haven't gotten that many boxes and I was disappointed with the last one, so I'm really hoping that I won't be with this. And also this box was actually my blessing today. I know that sounds so stupid, but I don't know if I mentioned this before. I'm a psychotherapist and today was just a really hard day. I had a lot of clients and some really heavy stuff with it was really a hard day. So I don't even get into it because I get emotional and I know that's stupid. So but I got this box and it was just nice. I'm like, okay, I can detach, not worry about certain things around with kids that I work with, and it was really nice to get this today. So even if this box completely sucks, I am thankful for Stitch Fix today. So basically what I said in my note to the person was that we were going to Ireland, which I'm really excited about, and that I already have some of those black hunter rain boots because it's really rainy there. So I was like, anything that kind of goes with that and just whatever you think would be great for a trip to Ireland. So I wasn't too specific, which I think I'll be happy with that too because it's less sorry, I was preheating my oven. We're making dinner and it's going off. Okay, it's fine. My stuff was very general that I wrote in my notes, so I'm hoping I'll be happier with that. I had some posts saying hey, if you're more general with them, things go better and you're usually happier, and I think they're right. I've been happier in the past when that happens. So let's see. Let us see. Oh, I haven't looked. I just undid that with a knife before I started. Okay, we have the typical, this guy. I'm gonna sit on the floor. I look bald, I promise. I'm not. Even if I was, that should be fine. But just a long day. My husband's working on something in the garage too, so I don't know if you hear that, but we have, okay, so we have this little extra styling peek out for the undergarments. What am I looking at first? Okay, that's the prices. We'll go over that later. Your style delivered. Here's what we have. Hello, Lisa. Welcome to Fix number 5. I'm so happy to be your stylist today. This is from Whitney. I don't know if I've had her before. Sorry, I'm getting into squat position on my table here. I focused this fix on pieces for your upcoming trip to Ireland. Happy 1-year anniversary. Oh yeah, that's why we're going. It's me and my husband's 1-year anniversary. Yahoo! Yay for us. Okay. I love your classy style, and I hope this fix mirrors that for you. It sounds like it will be rainy when you visit, so I sent the 41 Hawthorne anorak jacket. Ooh, that's exciting. I really like anorak jackets, and I don't have one. I just get nervous because sometimes they're pricey. Dark gray is a great neutral and will pair well with almost anything you pack. The level 99 skinny jeans in red. Ooh, that's kind of fun. Are classic and will look awesome in your hunter boots. Wear the market and spruce striped knit top with pants, and I always get a lot of market and spruce stuff, sorry. Pants, and throw the jacket on for a day off exploring. I saw something similar on the Road to Utility shirt on your Pinterest, so I sent this one for you to try. I really don't know what's on my Pinterest, but I like it, so we'll see. Layers are always a must when you're traveling, and so I included this cardigan to wear over basic teen skinny jeans. Enjoy, XO, Whitney. Okay, and then there's the cards. I'm not gonna really look at them too much until I see what's in there. We'll go over prices as we go, and let's see what happens. I really hope this goes well. I'm pumped. This bundle seems cute. I don't know. Oh, okay. Looks like I got some stripes in there. Hopefully you can see and hear me well. I want this to go well. Today's just been a hard day, so I want this to go well if nothing else does. Ooh, okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I don't know if you guys know, have you ever been to Ann Taylor Loft? I get a lot of my clothes from there, nothing that I'm wearing today. But they have this blue and gray, and all of their stuff is so comfy, cozy, feels so good. It's this the best cotton feeling in the world. It's kind of springy when you move the fabric. Let me know, or thumbs up if you know what I'm talking about, because that's a real thing and I'm obsessed with it. This feels like it. Okay, so let's see. I'll get a little closer so you can see what's going on. Hi, close up. Yay. Okay, little splotchy in the face. It's just so nice, right? I love this. I know it's plain, but I love it. I really love this. I'm excited to try it on. Do you think I like stripes? Maybe? I don't know. Okay, so we will see what that is going on. Here is, oh, so this is kind of like a little blouse. It's blousey. Okay, I like this. I don't know if this is the jacket that she was talking about. Oh no, it's not the jacket because the jacket's still there. So, this is cute. I would wear this to work too. So a lot of these things I would already wear to work, so I'm kind of excited about that. I don't know, my therapy office is very like casual. I can be chill. I mean, like I can wear yoga pants if I want some days, which is awesome. But I also, I don't know, like the casual chic, like I'm your hippie tour guide through life. Let's go through this forest of not fun experiences you've had. And try to make it better. So, I'm in a weird funk today. Let's see. What is this? Huge comfy sweater. Okay, I like this. I love sweaters. I don't know if you can see. You can't really, so I'm sorry. It's a long one. It's just, it has like one of those like the collars that kind of, it's either drapes aside, but sometimes it drapes weird. You know, like when that one part slides across on your body and always stays that way. I kind of like this. I might love Whitney. I might love her. Okay, let's see what else we got. Here's the jacket. I'm gonna spend $1 million. I already love the way it feels. Maybe I should back up so you guys can really see this. Oh my gosh. I don't think it, can you see? Like the hood, and the hood zips off. I'm in it. I love this. This is like the best fix I've ever gotten, I think. Okay, so these are kind of like a rusty color. These pants, I don't know if you can see. Rust. I don't have something like this, and I actually have some like a pair of pants that are like burgundy and dark green that are, they're just simply too tight on me. I had them when I got my first job a long time ago. So yeah, this might be like adult version of that. Yay, so I think I'm gonna do some try-ons. We're gonna talk about the prices once I've tried them on, and then yeah, we'll see what works. So let's see. So let me try to show you kind of what everything looks like. I love this, even if it doesn't look cute on me, because it's like that comfy, awesome feel, and I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. So this is not the best angle. Let me see. Just cute, right? Sorry, you have the aura behind me. Oh. All right. Just comfy top. These pants, part of me didn't like. I just didn't want to like them. I don't know what the price is. They do have that thing where it's like, you know, it kind of like when it comes down, like you can like say like, these are gonna work their way down throughout the day. Unsure, but they're like ridiculously soft too. So if I just wear a belt and like act like a woman about this could be fine. She said that I should wear my the jacket with this. So let's see what it looks like. Will it be cute or will it not? So I don't, things are gonna get weird in this video. I'm sorry. Dun dun dun. Stupid cute. And right, so like, and I was planning, I have this other jacket that I could wear as like a rain jacket, but like, this is cute. Let's see, get it down. I don't know. You guys will have to tell me what you think about this jacket. If I should, I have another rain jacket. I was planning on wearing it anyways, but like, would this be cuter? Probably not worn like this. Oh, I'll tell you prices right now. Let's talk about the prices of those items before we get to the other two. So what I have, okay, anorak, the anorak, that really cute jacket is $108. I do have another jacket, like I said. I'm gonna show it to you. Obviously I already own it. You don't really care. One second. Okay, here's the other jacket that I already own. This, it's folded up, a hood pops out of it. La, la, la. And it's super lightweight. It's like fitted in the back. I loved that jacket, honestly, but because it's for a vacation and I'm just more of a frugal person, and I'd rather get like an item when we're in Ireland. So yeah, I don't think this video, am I right? Now the food alarm is going off. Goodness. Okay, so clearly I'm having issues. I think I'm gonna keep my coat that I have. Obviously I was gonna keep it. Goodbye to anorak jacket that I did like, but I don't deserve to like. So you're gone now. That is gone. Now Let's see how much this top is that I have on, because that is cute. $58. This is such a basic shirt. That's really expensive. That's really, but I want it. So I might be stupid. Let me know what you think I should be. Like, should I be stupid for a top that's this basic? The pants are $98. Oh, Whitney. Oh, Whitney girl. You think I'm so wealthy. You think I'm wealthy. Okay, let's see what the next options are. Okay, here's the next shirt. I feel like it's quite nice, actually. Hello. I'm in Ireland. This is all green behind me. This is like very comfortable. I would wear this to work too, and like a casual, I would wear it open potentially with a t-shirt, like a white t-shirt as well. So I know this is just it buttoned up. I think it's cute. This is $74. Girl, Whitney. Okay, I didn't want to run and go get a top to go under this. So obviously this would be like, it would hang more open. So like, maybe I can show you from the side. Here's it, just hanging. Okay, right, so imagine I got a tank top underneath, cute. Yeah, this is nice. I have some things like this. Like I wear a lot of drapey things, but not drape in the middle, like be open. I think this is very nice. Just basic again, very comfortable. Actually, I could totally live in this. It's like super soft. Let's see. No, $68. So, okay, let me just go through what this just was. The jacket, $108. Goodbye. The cardigan, $68. It's nice. We'll see. The striped top that I really like, I know that's not anything special, but that if anything, I'm keeping anything, it's that probably. That would be $58. Utility shirt, which is this guy. That is $74. Jeans, $98. Subtotal, $406. Lisa. I wonder what Whitney thinks I actually do for a living. A spy that makes a lot of money. Buy all discount, obviously I'd get $101 back, but in the $20 credit, which it's $284.50. No, I can't make that be okay. So here's the deal. I think I should keep something. Obviously I always feel that with like the $20 thing. I should also switch my tops really quick so I can like sit back and not be like seducing you. Okay, so side note, this is how this top looks with like together, both of these. Jeez, Lisa. This is actually really cute and it's making me want it more. So I think I might do these two. We'll see. I wanted to show you guys this because I thought this was cute. I did try layering.